Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got two things to share with you. Number one, I'm going to dive into my phone like always. I'm going to show you my portfolio and exactly how much money I received in dividends for the month of October. And I'm also going to show you my spreadsheet that shows everything that's going on in the portfolio. You can see everything, like how much I'm up, how much I'm down, how much I've received. You can see everything 100% with 100% transparency. But first, I want to show you my brokerage account on the phone so you can see that my spreadsheet isn't a bunch of made up numbers that I've just made up and put in there. You're going to see that it's exactly what is, going on with my portfolio. So we're going to record the screen right now. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. Let's open up Charles Schwab. Okay, so here we are. Oh, let's refresh it. So this, at the time of this recording, this is Saturday here in China, and it is what? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so right now you can see my portfolio value is $49,686. Now let's go down here to the positions. I'll show you my positions, and then I'll share the dividends with you. So QQQY, 63 shares. Coney, 1,350 shares. Misty, 320 shares and little partial shares there. NVIDIA, 23 shares only. And Tesla, 120 shares. And Ulti, 1,500 shares. Now, let me show you the history and show you how much money I've received in dividends for the month. And I'm really bad at math, so I got my little handy dandy calculator here. And I'm going to add it up as we go, because I don't even know myself yet how much I received for this month. So let's look up the history. Let's just do this. Let's go to dividends. Bam. Okay. So let's just go back to the beginning of October and we'll add them all up together. So that's August, September. Where's October? Okay, here we go. The first one, October the 3rd. QQQI, $49.84. So let's do it all. Okay. The next one we received was QQQY. That was October the 11th. We got $18.98. All right. The next one we received, again, what's this? October the 18th. We got Coney, Ulti, and QQQY. We'll start with Coney at the top. $14.76 plus, see, Ulti, 1,120, 120. I'm not even going to add this change anymore. Forget the change. QQY, $15.19. We'll just say $15. Bam. Okay. Now let's go up here. The next one we received, and the last one that we received for this month, was on October 25th, which was Friday. QQY and Misty. We got $17, and Misty was $13.44, which brings us to a total of $4,041. So made over $4,000 this month from this small, $49,000 portfolio. We made $4,000. Not bad for the month of October. So now let me turn this off and we're going to dive into the computer, and I'm going to show you my spreadsheet and show you everything that's really going on inside of this portfolio. And first of all, I just want to say this $4,000. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Getting $4,000 this month. I was expecting $3,600, so I got a little surprise, which I think it was Misty. The big surprise was Misty paying that such a massive dividend. That was what really boosted me up to where above my expectation. So I'm happy with this month's return. Now let me see. I'm going to get on my computer now and record the screen and share with you my spreadsheet and where I got the spreadsheet from. So let me try to do this. I'm not the best person in the world at this kind of thing, but we'll figure it out. Just bear with me for just a second. Hey, you. Yeah, let's try this again. Well, hell. Okay, new screen recording. Here we go. Now we're getting to it. Let's just record the whole dang thing. Okay, so here we are. We're recording this screen. So here we are in my spreadsheet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is my dividend log, because this is very important. So you can see this here. I'll share with you about the spreadsheet at the end of this, but for now, just stay tuned. Let's see what's really going on inside the portfolio. Okay, so if at the bottom down here you have all these different sections, I'm not going to explain all this to you, but at the bottom here, you see the dividend log. I'm going to open this up. Maybe. Okay, so here we are. This is the dividend log. And you hear up at the top, you can see all my positions here. Let me make it bigger. Maybe this will help, maybe. Okay, so here we are at the top. There's OT, Coney, Misty, QQI, Tesla, and NVIDIA. These are all the positions that I have in my portfolio. And you can see, let me put up here at the top. You see January, look, all across the board, zeros, zeros, zeros. This portfolio is only 4 months old. You see right here, July. Let me just put it at the top so you can see all the zeros there. See them all the zeros. July is the first month that I received a payment. See right here, there's June, nothing. July, the very first payment I received in this portfolio was July. So this portfolio is 4 months old only, and we got $4,000 a month already. So if you look right here, can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. Okay, anyway, here in July, Ulti paid me $964. Look, Coney, nothing. Misty, nothing. Look, nothing all across the board there. I started this portfolio with 1,000 shares of Ulti and nothing else, and we got $900 there. Now, the second month, let me just move it up to the top so it's just easier to see. The second month was August, right? So here's, well, you can't actually see that. That's kind of weird. Hold on a minute. This thing. Oh, there we go. This is better. I gotta just do it like this because it like blurs everything if I don't. Anyway, August. You can see here August at the very top. We've got $780 from Ulti, $1,006 from Coney. Look, Misty, QQI, Tesla, NVIDIA didn't get anything because I didn't own those at that time. I only owned Ulti and Coney. I bought 1,000 shares of Ulti and then I bought 1,000 shares of Coney. That was the first 2 months. Okay, so then the third month of this portfolio, which was September, let me put September at the top. So there's September, $1,100 from Ulti, $1,200 from Coney. And then we have this $268 payment from Misty because I had like 120 shares or something like that at that time. Anyway, I got $268 out of it. No QQQI, no Tesla, no NVIDIA because those weren't in the portfolio at the time. Now, October, which was this month that just passed, and I just shared those dividends with you, we received a total of $4,000 this month. So if you look here, we've got Ulti, $1,120, Coney, $1,476, Misty, $1,344, which really surprised me. We have QQI, $101 in total. And then look, Tesla and NVIDIA haven't paid me yet because these are new additions. I bought these on the X date, which means it was too late to get the dividend this month. So in November, when we start getting paid, we're going to get paid from Tesla and NVIDIA. So actually coming next week, we'll get our very first payment in this portfolio from Tesla, which should be around $100. So, that's going to add additional $100 to our total for next month. We're going to get paid from NVIDIA, which won't be very much at all because I have like 23 shares. So NVIDIA would be a small payment. And then these other ones, I'm guessing, are going to be similar. QQI probably, QQI will be less actually because I got a big payment and then they started paying weekly. So now the weekly payments is probably not going to add up to this much, I don't think. So we'll probably get less from QQI, to be honest. Misty, probably going to be less also. Then we have Coney and Ulti, which should probably be similar to what they are now because I haven't really done much with these positions. So probably going to get around the same amount of money next month, even though I really want $5,000. But we're on the way. I want $5,000 by January, and we still got 2 months to get there. So this is the dividends. So you can see here the total. Ulti has paid me a total of $4,000. Coney has paid me $3,700. This is just in 4 months' time, by the way. Here, I'll just go back so you can see this, right? See all the zeros up there? So in 4 months, I received $4,000. Coney's gave me $3,700. Misty's paid me $16,000, and QQI paid me $100. These other ones haven't paid yet. So now let's go look at the under the hood at what's going on and how these payments are affecting the portfolio. So if I go down here to the bottom, not to the dashboard, see this positions. Now we're going to see all the positions and all the costs and everything else involved in it. So let's open that up. So here we are. Let me make it a little bit bigger, try to fit it all on the screen though. And we'll have to scroll across to see everything. So just bear with me for that, but we'll try to do that. I don't want to make it too big so it mess up the way it looks and it's really hard to read it. But so at the top, the first one you can see is Ulti, right? Now look, there's my shares. Oh, actually we have 1,500 and my cost average is different. Let's change that right now just because I haven't updated this. Okay, so we need to update this and make it right. OT, let me check. Hold on, let me check my phone real fast. OT, 1,500 shares. So let's change that. We've got 1,500 shares now, and my average cost is OT is $12.70. So this is going to go down 5 cents. Okay, it's $12.70. So there we go. Now we've updated this. The rest of them, let me see. Let me double check. 63 shares. Okay. Tesla, yes. Okay, everything else is okay. So I didn't update my OT because I purchased some more. So anyway, here we go. OT, 1,500 shares. Average cost is $12.70. Right now, the price is $9.95. Now, I'm not worried about this day change and overall day change. We don't care about what happened on the day. Y'all don't care about that. Let's go check out what's really going on in the portfolio. So just remember, this top one right here is OT. It's going to start disappearing when I start. Well, maybe it won't. Let's just do it. I'll make it smaller so you can see I'm not pulling your leg. Okay, right here at the top, OT market return, it's down $4,000. Okay, or $4,100. Total return, look, I'm down $124. So I'm getting $1,000 a month from this. So my very next dividend in the month of November is going to make this total return positive. I will be up on this in total return in November. So come November, if I actually wanted to get rid of this, I could, and I wouldn't lose any money. I would be up in total return because it's been paying $1,000 a month. So I'm guessing you can see right now market return 21%, total return 0.65% is how much it's down. So it should be, I'm guessing total return should be up by about probably $800 or so at the end of next month. So we will be positive on this going next month. Okay, this one, this isn't important right now. We'll look at this later. Coney. Okay, let's go back here again. Let's go back. Coney, $13.50. My average cost is $17. I bought this when it dropped below 20. I thought, oh, I'm getting a deal. And this thing crashed down to like $11 or something. So yeah, that was bad timing on my part. There's nothing wrong with the stock. I just, bad timing for myself. But I should have bought it at a better price. Right now, the price is $13.69. So this one is not doing so well for me. Let's go check out what's really going on with it, with the dividends and everything. So here we are at the market return, the first column. I'm down $4,700. Well, we might as well say $4,800. Total return is down $1,000. But we've been getting $1,000 a month out of this. So again, in the month of November, if I get $1,000 out of this for the month of November, we're going to be even on total return. So should be like 0% pretty much, right? It's going to be close to break even. So not too bad. This is only 3 months. I've only had Coney for 3 months. So by month 4, we should be break even. Doesn't mean ROI. It just means that we're up on total return or broke even on total return. To get ROI, like return of your initial investment for OT and for Coney, it's estimated to be about 12 to 13 months before you get all of your money back. So you need to be in this for at least a year, maybe a year and a month, year and 2 months to get 100% of your money back. Then after that, it's free money after that, right? But so anyway, 3 months of this, 4 months will be positive. Misty. Let's go back over here. See the shares again. Misty, see the third one here? Let me put it up at the top for you. Misty. Yeah, come on. I'm very slow with this mouse. 320 shares. Look, my average cost is $20.99, and the price right now is $27.62. So let's go have a look. Here we go. I'll just leave it like this. It's easier this way. Misty, the third one, the market return is up $2,100. Total return is up $3,700 or 31%. And you see here total return is up 55%. So this is positive 55%. So look, I'm down 0, down 4. So I'm down 5% on these two, but I'm up 55% on this one. QQQY. Do y'all really need to see that? I'll show it with you. I don't want everybody to say, oh, you're showing the things. QQQY, 63 shares. Average cost, $34.50. Right now it's $34. So you can see I'm down on this one. Let's go look at what's down. Here we are, the red one right here, QQI. It's down $29. Total return is up $72. So I'm positive on this one. And you can see the total return is up 3%. So I could sell Misty, I could sell Coney right now, and I would make profit. Tesla and NVIDIA, the last two, these will make these quick, and then I'll share with you a couple more things, and then we'll finish this video. Tesla, by the way, if you appreciate the honesty and transparency, hit the like button, and if you're new and not subscribed, hit subscribe button. Tesla, 120 shares. My average cost is only $11.75, and the share price is $13. So I'm up on this one. Let's go have a look at what's going on. Now this one, see, market return is up $158. So not a lot, but it's up. Total return is the same. The reason why, because Tesla is a new position in this portfolio. So I have not received dividends yet. So once I receive dividends, you're going to see these numbers change. You see the market return and total return, they're the same percentage. Actually, let's just cover NVIDIA at the same time, because look, NVIDIA is also the same, because NVIDIA and Tesla both are new positions. I haven't received any payments from either one of these. So that's why the market return and total return are the same. This month, next week, Tesla is going to change because I will get a dividend. And if it goes up, market return will go up and total return will be even above that because the dividends are received. But we got to wait and see. We can't speculate what's going to happen. So anyway, I'm up 11% on Tesla and I'm up 7% on NVIDIA. And that is no dividends whatsoever. That's just because I bought in at a decent time, I guess, and it's went up. Unlike Coney, which Coney was, I think Ulti, I'm happy with Ulti. My timing was pretty good with buying Ulti for the price I got it. I'm happy with, but Coney, I'm not happy with that one. It's not Coney's fault. It's my own fault, my own personal flaw. I bought in at the wrong time, at the wrong price. I thought, it's below $20. It's a good time to buy. And I didn't pay close attention to really, I should have waited. But, that's everything looks easier in hindsight, right? But, so yeah, I made a mistake with Coney. That's my own fault. It's not a fault of Coney or Yomax or whatever, So anyway, let's go look at some more stuff to show you here. I want to show you with this portfolio. If you scroll down to the bottom, I know you can't see the things at the top up there. This cash ain't right either. I have more money in cash here than what it says. I want to show you this part over here. So if you look here, this is the total market return of my entire portfolio, all those positions combined. It's down $6,600 in market return. But you see total return. So that's with the dividends included and everything I've received, this portfolio is actually positive. It's up $2,850. So if I sold this entire portfolio today, everything, liquidated everything, I would have $2,850 more than I started with. Okay. So even though I have positions that are down, I could liquidate this entire portfolio straight into cash and I would have more money than I started with. So people who say, yo, Max is crap and it's shit or whatever, you can see right here in front of you, it shows you that I'm actually total return percent. I'm up 5%. So I know it's not a huge percent, but it's only been 4 months and I'm up $3,000 and I'm up 5% in total return after only 4 months. Even with the mistakes that I made with buying things at the wrong time and stuff like that. So far, am I happy with this portfolio? Yes, I'm happy with it. Could you invest in other things and maybe have, a higher return percentage? Of course you could. Of course you could, right? You could buy some other stocks and you might not earn income, but your portfolio might be up a whole lot. But I don't care about that. I want the monthly income. And for me to get the monthly income, and it's only been 4 months, and I'm up, that's fine with me, right? Now, to be 100% clear, these dividends I've received, I have not taken them out of the portfolio. They have stayed in this portfolio, and I've been reinvesting into this portfolio. So all the dividends I receive, I didn't take not $1 out. It all went right back into the portfolio to buy more stuff, okay? So you got to keep that in mind as well. I'm not living out of this particular portfolio. Okay, so just want to make that clear with you guys. So yeah, we're down market return, but total return we're up. I can liquidate it, get all my money back and some, make profit actually. So if you look over here, dividend yield, the yield of this entire portfolio is 103%, but the yield on cost is only 91%. I said only 91%. It's still pretty good when you're making 91%. That's, So, because I made some mistakes with Nvidia, or not Nvidia, with Coney, and like Ulti didn't make a big difference because it's only like down $2 per share, but Coney is down big time, and that's my own fault. But so anyway, the yield on cost is suffering from that, 91%, but it's not terrible. I mean, what's that? 10, 11, I'm almost 12%. So the difference between the actual dividend yields and the yield of my portfolio is a 12% difference, which basically means, oh yeah, look over here, market return minus 11.98%, so 12%. That's the difference, right? It's down by 12%. Okay, so I didn't fill out this growth rate, so you have to fill this out yourself. I didn't fill that out because Max dividends are really unpredictable. So you don't really know how much they're going to grow or how much they're going to decline. You don't really know that. But if you look here, you can see my cost basis, $55,000. And my market value is $48,000. But look, my annual dividend income is $50,000. But, like I said, you can look over here. We're up on total return, and we're up on, the total return. That's up 2,800, up 5%. So, yeah. What else do we have here to show you? Total dividends received, look, $9,459. So if you look over here again, see 9,450. That's the difference between this 6,000 down and the 2,850 received, right? If you put those together, then you're going to have this 9,459 over here. So that's how much I've received so far. In 4 months, I've received $10,000 and almost $10,000 in dividends, 9,500. So anyway, that's really all I can show you here on this spreadsheet. I'm not going to dive into all the details of the other stuff, really. It's got all these other things if you really want to use them. Like it's got it's like I didn't feel some to have this stuff out. I just keep track of the dividends I received and that kind of stuff. I don't care about some of the other stuff. But if you look at the dashboard, like this ain't correct because I didn't put in the dividend growth rate. This is 0, which isn't right because I didn't enter that information in. You have to enter those things in. My cash, I didn't put that stuff in. I didn't put down how much cash I have and et cetera, et cetera. The monthly breakdown, $4,100, annual income, $50,000, $137 a day, or $968 a week. So it tells you everything here. The positions, I just showed you that page right here. We have the portfolio allocation. So we have stocks and ETFs. So I really own all ETFs. This is 100%, even though these are single stock ETFs. So I don't really pay attention to this thing. So it's like it's got different things here. You can adjust all these if you want, different type of sectors, which I don't care about that. Actually, I show you that here. See here the positions. If I go here, see it says ETF. Like you can change these to whatever sector you're invested in, and then that will help you. This right here, this tab, it'll change all these for you and break down the percentages for you, and then your income. So the dividend log, I showed you that already. That's here. It just shows you the positions, and it shows you the month and how much money you receive in dividends for the month. And then sold positions, I don't know if I feel this, no, because I didn't sell anything, but this one you could put in like the symbol you bought and the date you sold it, how much you made for selling it, or how much you lost for selling it. You can put all that in here. But this is a new portfolio, and I haven't sold anything. So, that's nothing there. And then we have what, I can't even see this, sorry. Oh, my camera's in the way. We have watch list, monthly data, and annual data. So this just shows you can put in how much money you put in every month and the portfolio values and stuff like that, which I don't fill that out because I don't really care about filling those out. So there's nothing there to really see. But yeah, so anyway, that's the spreadsheet. So as you can see, just to recap, for all you people who are hating on Yield Max things and this and that, yes, could I have made more money by doing something else? Of course, I could have. At the same time, that's not my goal with this portfolio. My goal with this portfolio is to generate income. And now look, my total return is up 2850. Again, if I liquidate the entire portfolio right now, I would walk away with more money than I started with. And again, these up here that are down, look, $124. We all know Ulti pays $1 per share or close to $1 per share. I got 1,500 shares, $1,500. This total return will be positive next month. We all know Coney pays about $1 per share. I got like 1,100 shares or so. This will disappear next month. So this entire thing will all be positive total returns by next month. If the market doesn't crash, the market crashes, if something like crazy happens, then of course things can change. It's speculation at this point. So that's what's going on there with my portfolio. Now, the last thing I want to show you is where I got this spreadsheet. Because first of all, I'm not going to share this spreadsheet with you because I did not create the spreadsheet. I stole this from somebody else, but I will show you where I got it. And if you want to go there and get it, you can go there and get it. Now, to be 100% clear, the place I got this from, I do not know this guy. I have no affiliation with him. I'm not friends with him. I don't know nothing about the guy, but I will show you where I got it from. And so let me go here. His name is this right here, Rain Williams. This is his name, or Ryan. I don't know if it's Ryan or Rain, but this is where I got it from. So let me go here to his YouTube channel. Yeah, this guy right here, this guy. So if you go here to his home page, I don't want to listen to his video, but let me just go here to videos. Anyway, here's his videos, whatever. He's got, I don't know where it's at, but anyway, somewhere here, he's got a video about the spreadsheet. But if you go here where it says more, you can see his links to his websites. And if you go to his websites here, retirewithrain.com, we'll go here. This is where I got the spreadsheet from. Okay. I watched some of his videos before, and he's not the type of investor. He doesn't invest the way that I like to invest, but he's got, the spreadsheets and this and that. So he'll give it to you for free. The portfolio tracker, this right here, it says download for free. So you can come over here to his website and you can download his portfolio tracker for free. And you can download this for free as well. So if you want to go get the spreadsheet from this guy, I would suggest you at least go watch one of his videos and like his video or subscribe to his channel. I mean, I think he does a good job with his channel and stuff like that. It's just not the type of investing that I like to do. But he does like a lot of the traditional style, like SHD, et cetera, et cetera. It's not the kind of stuff I like. But if you want the spreadsheet that I got, go over here. Subscribe to. I'm not on a different channel right now. I'm subscribed from my Dividend Nomad channel, but I'm on my other YouTube channel right now. But on my other channel, I am subscribed to him because I like to support the people who provide information, the things that I use. I'll support them by liking some of their videos and subscribing. So if that's you, I suggest you do the same. It's a common courtesy. Go subscribe to his channel and download his spreadsheet. And you might like some of his videos. It might be for you. I don't know, but hopefully that answers all of your questions about my portfolio, what's going on under the hood. And the people who want to talk shit, go ahead. I don't care. I'll just keep making my monthly income, and sooner or later I'll be making a lot more money, which this isn't my only portfolio, by the way. But yeah. So that's all I got for you today. I'm going to make another video probably tomorrow and talk about the community portfolio. And stay tuned for that. If you want to know what the community portfolio is, then stay tuned and watch that video coming next. See you on the next one. Take care and make some money.